What's going on, YouTube? Mr. Fisher Bike. I got a couple things. I went up to B&Z Cards today, hung out with the guys up there, local card shop, and we busted a group box. We did a group break of it was 2011 Gridiron Gear football, and we split up the teams. We each got, there's only 3 of us doing it, or 4 of us doing it, so we each got 8 teams. I was lucky enough to get 3 out of the 4 hits and some nice rookies. Here's my hits that I got. I got a Deshaun Jackson patch. It's a nice patch there. I don't know if you can see it. It's single color, but it's a nice thick patch, and that's numbered 34 of 50. I got a Luke Stalker rookie auto for the Bucks. That one's numbered to 299. And I got a redemption for Signatures Gold, card number 153. His name was Ahmad Black. Plays for the Bucks. So that was the my 3 hits. And I can't remember what the 4th hit was, but one of the other guys got it. And then I got a few additions I found in my collection. I forgot I had these, so I just added them to my box. This 01 MVP souvenirs. It's a game used glove, batting glove, and it's a Griffey. And then I got this what is this? 05 Upper Deck Trilogy, and that's a piece of bat of Griffey, numbered 115. So that's it for the new things. And I got this. The box, got it from good old Wally World. Saw a few people that could have been added to people at Walmart while I was there. And it's called Baseball Gems of the Game. Just picked it up. It was some random thing. 1 graded rookie, game used, or autograph card, and you get 10 packs. So let's bust it. See what's going on. Shing. Shing. So I'm guessing this is my good card. Save that for last. Then we got some random packs here. Let's see, we got 07 Upper Deck, got 08 Spectrum, 2010 Tops, probably nothing really good. Series 2 08 Tops, 08 Baseball Heroes, 299 SP, or sorry, 2008 SP, Icons 09, O-Pee-Chee 09, Rays 10, or Tops 2010, and then, ooh, look at that bubble gum. Got some bubble gum, and let's just do this. Ooh, Teddy ball game fell. Can't have him falling. Throw the gum away because I don't want to catch some kind of disease or get sick. If you hear that back in the background, that's our wash machine. I'm not peeing. Let's see, base. Andrew Miller rookie, base. These are going to be quick, all base. This is the 2010 Tops update. Heh, 2 of the same card. Great stuff. And Jason Hayward, I don't know what this is. Tops Attacks. 2009 O-Pee-Chee. Like I said, there's probably not going to be much in this, but every once in a while, I found wrong. Icons. Griffey. SP. Alex Rodriguez, Pedro Martinez, marquee matchups, not numbered. Upper Deck Series 2. This is 2008. Blake DeWitt, rookie. Dice K. 2010. Tops. Oh, come on. Can't put the cards all one way. Alright. Oh wait, Spectrum. Those are nice looking. Dice K. Carl Crawford. And this is 2007 Upper Deck. Teddy Ballgame doesn't want to stay up. And then we have, oh wait, Baseball Heroes. Upper Deck Baseball Heroes. Don Mattingly, Wade Boggs. And Ryan Howard, Mr. Parallel. And a coupon for $1 off. Expired in 08. Cool. Alright, this is the hit. This is what I bought it for. See if it's worth anything. Anything good. Mickey Mantle. Gold card. Well, that's just not what the box says you're going to get. So, I mean, yeah, it's a gold card of Mickey Mantle. It's not a refractor. It's not numbered. It's definitely not a graded rookie, game used, or autographed card. So, that right there, folks, is why you don't buy that garbage from Walmart or Target or anywhere else. So, that's it. Alright, guys. See ya.